Your AI agents are burning tokens like crazy, and it's not your prompt's fault, it's the architecture. Anthropic just dropped the biggest update yet, MCP Code Execution, and it changes everything about how agents work and can save up to 98% tokens. I'll explain what's new, why MCP needed this upgrade, and I'll show you a real demo that anyone can run locally. Typically, every MCP server exposes 10 to 20 tools. Every tool comes with function description, parameters, types, examples that translates into tens of thousands of tokens, all irrelevant for 90% of tasks. And this is where accuracy drops because the model is drowning in noise. It keeps confusing tools, mixing parameters, hallucinating schema fields, and failing mid workflow. This is the new mental model behind MCP. Instead of dumping every tool definition into the model's context window, tools appears as a file system. To get the exact estimates, I generated a synthetic CloudWatch style dataset that looks exactly like what real DevOps engineers deal with. So it has data for 150 EC2 instances. Each instance has 50 to 150 CPU data points. What the script does is loads the entire dataset as raw text. This means all 18,000 data points become part of the prompt. The LLM has to read the entire JSON block. This turns into 355,000 tokens, which is almost double of what the token limit of the LLM is, and ultimately the LLM is choked. It throws a quota exceeded error where the limit is just 125,000 tokens. Now let's take a look at the MCP style flow, where the model doesn't touch the dataset. We filter the dataset locally. The local Python finds the high CPU instances. Only the tiny summary is passed into the model. Gemini responds instantly. Token usage drops from 355,000 to 2096. That's more than 98% token savings. And this is the magic. The LLM sees only the result, not the 18,000 data points. This is why MCP code execution is such a big deal. Instead of forcing LLMs to parse huge tool definitions and giant JSON blobs, we let the model write code on which it is exclusively trained on, and we only give it the tiny slice of data it actually needs. Let me know in the comments what you think about MCP code execution. See you in the next video.